Hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to show you a couple of the necklaces that I've made so far using those natural shells. One of you guys asked me about this kind of spiral shell right here. It's just a natural shell, and I picked it up from one of the brand name craft stores that we all know. Um, and I'm trying to stay out of the habit of saying their names because they're not paying me to promote or advertise, their brand. So I'm trying to stay away from that. So this is what I made with this green pendant. I think it came out pretty good. I like it with the big clear crystal glass, the coconut chips. I love the way pieces look with these coconut chips. And then we have this one right here. I have more of the shells on there. I had to put it around there. So then we got this. And then we have the earrings. I love the way this came out. So what I did is I noticed 2, 4, 6, and then one side I put 6, the other side I put 4 coconut chips. And I didn't notice that until I finished, and I was like, oh well, it just adds a little bit more character. So then with the pendant, I went ahead and made some little charms out of beads that I had and some extra wire that I had. And then just kind of hung those from there just to give it the piece a little bit more personality. I love the way it came out. Really, really nice. Love it. Love it, love it. So I think I will buy more of the pendants. I kind of like the way, these pendants look. And I really wasn't sure because of the big gap, like from the top of where the beads are to the bottom where the charms are. I don't like all that space in between, but that actually came out pretty good. It doesn't look bad. It's not bad at all. So I love the way they came out. And I string my beads on the 18 gauge wire. And I do that for durability. For durability, for long time wear. You can't break wire. Okay, that you can't do. You can't break wire. You can cut the wire, but you sure can't break it, not unless you twist it and stuff. But I have necklaces I've been wearing forever, and I used to string them on that jewelry thread or whatever it was, and I think it's like a thinner wire or something, but the stuff never lasted. So I just went ahead and start stringing it on that 18 gauge wire. So this is what we got from our supplies. Well, from some of our supplies. And I have a whole new haul coming in. It tells me September the 10th through the 15th, and I'm hoping it comes in well before that because some of the chips and stuff, coconut chips, I want to use. I want to marry them with a lot of those beads and stuff that I got coming in. And I'll sit here and use all the chips up and then got to order some more. And I'm like, okay, well, let me try to save some of them for when the other product come in. All right, but that's it. These are two of the oh, and this one, I think I'm gonna go ahead and make a pair of earrings too for this one. And it might be out of the chips. I'm not really sure yet, but I think I will. But that's it for today. Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. We'll talk soon.